Hello all. As a continuation of my lecture series of power system analysis, we are dealing with stability studies and reactive power compensation. So all these compensation and stability studies were done. If we go into advancement in power system, we go with SCADA. So what is SCADA is supervisory. Okay, first we will see the contents. So we are going to watch what is SCADA, history of SCADA, common components of SCADA, system components and future trends of SCADA in this video. So what is SCADA is supervisory control and data acquisition. So this is a system where it will fetch some data and intimate to us through the communication methods. So this is the upgraded technology before in power system, which was used for the data collection at the place where we are. We don't want to go to the site, so we can get the voltage values and current values which is generated in a wind turbine at our place. So this what is SCADA is, it is a system operated with coded signals so as to provide control of remote equipments. So it is a system operated with coded signals so as to provide control of remote equipments. So we have a history about SCADA in 1940 to 1970. So in 1940, electric utility systems were used. 1950 and 65, General Electric and Control Corporation were used using telemetry and control development. And at 1970, advanced telemetry were done. Solid state devices were developed. So with the help of these, the SCADA was evolved. So this is the history of SCADA. So coming to functions of SCADA, what will a SCADA do? Is data acquisition, data presentation, networked data communication and control. So it will data acquisition is done, data presentation is done, networked data communication is done and control is done. This is the basic functions of SCADA. Coming to common system parameters, we have remote terminal unit, programmable logic controller, telemetry system, human machine interface which we call it as HMI, a data acquisition server, and a supervisory computer gathering data on the process and sending command to the SCADA system. Communication infrastructure is very important and various process and analytical instrumentations were used. So these are all the common systems components of a SCADA. So with the help of these, only a SCADA can work. SCADA can just display the system, but backend of the SCADA of all these components. So coming to system components of SCADA, see HMI is there, engineering workstations and data. So all these are given to a SCADA control server, and through communication routes it is given to the wide area network. So in wide area network, either through satellite communication or radio, microwave or cellular or telephone wire communication. With the help of all these, for example, we have three sites here. One is PLC, one is remote terminal unit. Using a modem, it is converted to communicated to PLC. Using a modem, it is communicated to a remote terminal unit, and using a band card, it is communicated to a part which can display the output which was gathered from the input side. So what will be the future trends in SCADA is, so what was the first generation called as monolithic, second generation distributed, third generation networked. So SCADA made the human resources very simple by collecting the, for example, we have 10 wind turbines in a rural place, in urban areas, and it is to be communicated to the rural place. Such that the SCADA was implemented in order to know the data which is in the other place to the needed place. So this SCADA plays a major role in the power system. So similarly, we have many technologies which makes the power system things easier. For example, for underground, if we take underground cable communication, if there is any fault occurs, so we have some devices in order to identify at which place the particular fault has been occurred with the help of latitude and longitude values. So based on that, we can easily identify the place where the fault occurs, and we can dig that place alone to rectify the mistakes. Or else we have to plan for the whole 1 kilometer distance. We have to dig the land, and again we have to redo it for a small mistake. So this type of advancements are done in a power system, transmission and distribution systems. So we will discuss in the next videos. Thank you.